Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So if you're not on my channel, you are so welcome, and I appreciate friends for watching my videos, for subscribing, for commenting, and for sharing our videos. So you are so welcome. In today's video, I'm going to share with you why you should use aloe vera every day. So of course, like I've shared quite a number of videos on gel. Yes, aloe vera gel. You can use actually store bought or DIY that you can make at home. So if you want to purchase one in the shop, make sure that you go for 99.9% of aloe vera, and make sure that it doesn't have any additives like alcohol, colorants. Yes, so friends, like aloe has many vitamins and minerals that can make your skin glow. It actually you can use it for sunburns, a lot of uses for the lips, like a lot, friends. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end, because I'm going to share with you how you're supposed to use and why you should use aloe vera. So friends, like you can either use store bought. In fact, there's this actually can help you in terms of emergencies when you cannot actually make aloe vera. So this is one of the reasons why I sometimes store bought aloe vera in the house for emergencies, for burns and wounds. Like it's ready to go, especially in the case of emergencies. So aloe is perhaps one of the most widely used herbal remedies for topical skin conditions. This is because the gel-like components of the plant are known to heal the skin from a variety of minor ailments. In fact, you might have used aloe in the past for skin burn, minor cuts, or small abrasions. So despite its healing power, you might actually think that aloe, can it really do wonders? So it's, in fact, or is it safe? In fact, it's safe, friends, for using on your face. Generally speaking, it's safe for using on your face, because I've been using it for quite some time. But make sure that you do a patch test. Yes, but sometimes I do feel that itchiness, which doesn't last, of course. So now I'm going to share with you how you can make your own at home, friends. So subscribe to our channel, give this video a like, and comment in the section below. So at home, you can pluck, depending on how big your aloe is, you can pluck one. If they are big, if they are small, you can actually pluck more than two. Yes, so that you can extract the juice. So friends, like it is estimated that there are 420 different species of aloe vera. So in conventional medicines, aloe is a topical gel which is made from aloe vera gel, like a substance, and it is actually found inside the plant's leaves. So it is actually, much easier to use gel that is ready to go, especially in the case of emergency burns and wounds, like I said earlier on. But if you don't have, you can actually make your own and then store it for emergencies, friends. So now you have to wash, your aloe to remove any dirty debris which may be there. And I've shared quite a number of videos on how you can remove the yellow latex from aloe vera. So since our aloe is clean at this point, so we are going to cut the sharp edges. Yes, make sure that it is thoroughly cleansed. So at this point, it's clean. We are cutting that part. And then we are also going to cut the spiny edges. And then we'll extract the juice, the aloe gel, using the spoon. So the good part of aloe vera is that pure aloe vera is safe for use on sensitive areas where other products shouldn't go, like your lips and your under eyes. So the idea behind using aloe vera, like for the skin or chapped lips, is mostly based on aloe's healing properties. Like it may help heal several skin issues, including wounds, burns, skin dryness, and irritation. So the key to the chemical compound of aloe vera gel, according to research, are prosaccharides, and growth hormones in aloe stimulate your skin to produce new cells. This helps to heal more quickly. So the same polysaccharides also bind moisture to your skin, which is helpful when you are dealing with chapped lips or dry skin. So using aloe like on the lips would definitely like moisturize the earlier chapped lips sores caused by dryness and sometimes inflammation, So aloe is thought to have moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties that fight irritation, and aloe binds moisture to your skin, making it feel less dry. So now at this point we've cut our aloe and we are cutting across to remove the gel. So give this video a like and comment in the section below and subscribe to our channel, friends. So in as much as I love sharing, I want this channel to grow to a bigger audience. So my goal is 1,000 subscribers. So if you want to be seeing more of such videos, then consider subscribing. So make sure that you have aloe in your home, friends, because this is not supposed to mix in your home. So we are going to scoop the gel like so. So of course, like if you belong on this channel, I also love aloe vera, like for the hair, because it strengthens hair. It has also many active ingredients and minerals that can help strengthen your hair. So it has fatty acids and amino acids and is rich in vitamin A, B12, C, and it is play a part in healthy hair follicles, and it also controls, greasy hair, because aloe vera has enzymes that break down fats and help get rid of any extra oil, which is sebum. And if you have itchy scalp or seborrheic dermatitis, which is actually a common inflammatory condition, aloe will help a lot because it causes, dandruff. Seborrheic dermatitis causes dandruff, red skin, and scaly patches. So research shows that it decreases the scaliness and itchiness associated with it. So that is how our aloe looks like. So we are blending it. You can decide whether to blend it or not, but I decided to blend it so that we have that more like a gel aloe. So you have that preference whether you want it to be jelly or watery kind of. So if I don't want it to be watery, I don't blend it. So make sure that you get a strainer and then sieve. So of course that foam that you are seeing, it will actually evaporate after a few minutes, and you see that our aloe is actually ready. So now, friends, like there are so many ways like on how you can use aloe vera for the skin and for your hair as well. Like so many benefits. So continue watching this video. Make sure that you watch this video until to the end, because I'm going to share with you definitely how I use aloe vera. And it's also good for your own information, like for the edges. So like I've been using it for the edges for more than 2 years, friends. It works wonders. So that is how our aloe looks like. Have you seen? Subscribe to our channel, friends. Give this video a like and comment in the section below. And comment in the section below if you prefer homemade aloe or store-bought. So now at this point, I'm going to use the store-bought one just for, for this video demonstration. Yes. So like make sure that you purchase aloe vera, 100% aloe vera, friends. I'm telling you, don't have to go for other aloes which have a lot of additives in them. Make sure that the first ingredient is aloe vera. So I'm going to pour in a sizable amount, just a sizable amount, like 20 grams, because we're going to use it for just few applications. So the first is that, you apply it on your lips. It is also good if you have cold sores. Cold sores develop on the outside of your mouth. So aloe may help treat the herpes virus, which is also the underlying cause of cold sores. So apply a small amount of gel for your cold sores twice daily until it goes away. Then the next is under eyes. I'm telling you, like if you're from sleeping, you have those puffy eyes, aloe vera can actually alleviate that, and it will really moisturize your under eyes and they'll disappear. So like as I smooth it under eyes there gently, with love. Yes, subscribe to our channel, friends. Give this video a like and comment in the section below how you use aloe vera in your routine. So at this point now, we are going to use it, for our face. So like the moisturizing effects of aloe vera can help alleviate dry, itchy skin associated with eczema. So aloe vera may also help, allergies or seborrheic dermatitis. While this only found is fond of, eczema is often found in the scalp, it can also affect parts of your face and behind the ears. And I'm going to get more like for our hands. Like it's so moisturizing, friends. Like you have moisturized hands like that of a new baby. I'm telling you, like because our hands like are deep. We usually use our hands for many things, for washing, a lot of house chores. So like they will feel dry. So make sure that you apply your aloe, on your hands. Like they'll feel moisturized and you have that plump, soft skin. Then I also use aloe, for the hair. Like it's so good. It will actually promote hair growth. It will prevent dandruff, and it actually promotes hair growth. Yes. So comment in the section below, friends, how you use aloe vera. So like I love aloe vera very much for my hair. Yes, I'm sure if you belong on this channel, like I've shared quite a number of videos on aloe vera for hair and for the body as well. So aloe vera will also help if you have psoriasis. So as with eczema, aloe vera may help alleviate inflammation and the itchiness from psoriasis. For best result, apply aloe vera gel twice daily to the affected, area of skin. Massage it in, and make sure that you are consistent for you to see some results. It's not something that you can use one day or 1 week and you are like, it doesn't work. You need to exercise some patience and you need to use it frequently. So now at this point, friends, we are done. Yes, comment in the section below and subscribe to our channel. So like I love aloe vera and I use it every day. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.